In today's video, we'll be sharing with you this delicious sunshine pasta salad recipe. Welcome to Tasty and Quick Recipes. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications if you enjoyed this video. For this recipe, you will need 1 box of cooked penne pasta, half a cup of yellow peppers, half a cup of orange peppers, half a cup of red peppers, half a cup of yellow tomatoes, half a cup of red tomatoes, and a 1/4 cup of banana peppers. You will also need half a cup of mayonnaise, half a cup of sour cream, 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard, 1 teaspoon of lemon zest, 2 garlic cloves shredded, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, half a teaspoon of salt, and half a teaspoon of pepper. In a bowl, combine together the mayonnaise, sour cream, Dijon mustard, lemon zest, shredded garlic, salt, pepper, and lemon juice. Mix until completely combined. Set this aside for later. To the penne pasta, add in the red peppers, orange peppers, yellow peppers, red tomatoes, yellow tomatoes, and the banana peppers. Mix until evenly combined. To the pasta mixture, add in the sauce mixture we made earlier. Mix until everything is completely coated. Cover with plastic wrap. Place this in the fridge for at least 2 hours. Our sunshine pasta salad is complete, and now you can plate and serve. We hope you enjoy.